Welcome to Boundary Street, Heckmondwike, a 3-bed, mid-terrace property with parking, brand new boiler. However, it's priced to reflect the element of works that are needed in here. It's a great refurbishment project, can add value, so let us show you around. Thank you for viewing Boundary Street in Heckmondwike. As you'll have seen, 3 bedrooms, private driveway, rear enclosed yard area and a cellar, high ceilings, cosmetic work needed, we're appreciative of that, but ideal for a growing family who want to put their own stamp on a property, or an investor who wants to come along, do the works and then sell the property on or let it out as a landlord. So if you'd like to view, give us a call 01924 692240 or email us on hello@trustsl.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.